Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this tutorial video, I am going to show you how to fix microphone problem on Windows 11. So let's begin. First of all, let's head to the audio section and right click on sounds. Go to sound settings. After we are in sound settings, we are going to scroll down and we are going to find the microphone section. So as you can see here, we are in the microphone section. After we are in the microphone section, we will be able to see more than one microphones. And as you can see, I have two output devices here. So if you have more than one microphone connected, then in microphone section, you will be able to see more than one device, just like this you are seeing in the output section. However, I only have one microphone, that's why you are not seeing anything like this. From here, you will need to select which microphone is actually giving you output. So as you can see, my microphone bar here is jumping properly. That means my microphone output is working. However, if your microphone output is not jumping while you are talking, that means your microphone is not gaining any audio. So that is when you need to change your device to check that other microphones are working or not. However, there is another reason that your microphone gain can be 0 and your bar might not jump, which is if your microphone sound is reduced, then your gain will be reduced too. As you can see now, my gain has been reduced, but if it's all the way to 0, then my microphone will not pick up anything at all. So make sure that you have increased your microphone gain, then your bar will gain more audio. If you increase the microphone gain amount to highest, then it will gain the highest amount of audio, and you will not have microphone issues anymore. However, there are individual apps who have access to your different microphones individually. Now let's demonstrate with OBS Studio, which I'm also using to record my current screen. So in OBS Studio, you can see here that the microphone is gaining my noise. But if I talk louder, it's gaining red. That means it's getting too much noise. So go to settings here. After you are in settings, let's go to the audio section. So in audio section, as you can see, we have desktop audio, which is set to defaults. So if I click here, I will be able to select other audio devices. Now I only have one audio device here, but this is a software. That's why I am getting another audio device right over here, which is given by the software. So as you can see, we can also change the output device from here. In the same way, if we go to the mic/auxiliary audio, it's also set to default, which means it's copying the same audio device that you have set in your settings. However, this might not be default. It can be disabled, or it can also be selecting any other device. I have one device, that's why it's showing one device. But let's suppose you have a device that is not working and you have an external device connected. So make sure that you are selecting that external device here. Otherwise, you're selecting the external device in your sound settings, then making sure that the application is getting the default sound settings. That is how you can make sure that you are selecting the exact correct microphone, and also make sure to go to sound settings and increase the audio gain. Without increasing the audio gain, your microphone will not be able to gain the incoming audio. So guys, these are the few ways you can fix your microphone problem on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.